It is a great pleasure and pride for me. Today we are going to start new project which are very important for your constituency. Construction of Bangalore City Bypass. Alignment linking the towns from Mulki Kingoli, Mudakiveri, Katil, Bajpayee, Kalkamba, Potali Cross, Adur, Tenka Belur, Kalpane, BC Road, Panemangalore, Melkar, Konej, Tokotu for a length of 91.20 km through BOT and EPC basis. The cost of the project is 2,500 crores and today we are laying foundation stone for this project. At the same time, construction of 6-laning road near construction of 6-laning new major bridges across Pulguni River at Kulur, Mangaluru. The cost of the bridges is 65 crores and the third is 4-laning of Sanur Junction to Bikarnaketi section from existing kilometer 698 to 691 kilometer, and this is also very important. The length is 45 kilometer and the cost of this project is 1,163 crores. I am giving my special thanks to Honorable MP Nalinji for this developmental work. I know that from many days he is worried about the two projects of Mangalore, Mahavir Circle and Tokotu Circle Bridge. They are delayed. But today I already intervened in this project and now I am assuring you that we are going to complete one of the flyover before 31st May and Tokotu shall be ready before 31st March and both the flyovers shall be ready for use of before 31st May. So this is really a problematic projects which we are facing the problems, and the people of Bangalore also was facing the problem, and Nalin was constantly pursuing this. Today we resolve this issue. I have already directed the NHA officers to at any cost complete the projects before 31st May, and one of the project will complete before 31st March. I am giving my special best wishes to all of you. The other important part is at the same time we have a good port in Bangalore and foundation stone for Kulai Fishing Harbour, which is very important. In Sagarmala program, the port-led development both for industry and coastal community is very important. Fishing development is important part of the Sagarmala. 28 fishing harbour projects with the investment of rupees 4,000